I am indeed recording.
It's about to explode.
This is a fateful night. That little blip in the distance is
Run away, run away. Oh, this is going to be amazing.
The intensity is killing me.
It's driving me crazy.
Go.
We have a blast shield to get behind.
Well, if I lose an eye, I'll let you know.
We need a piece of plyboard or something to get behind.
I'll cover my eyes.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude.
Dude, it's actually...
Oh, 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 we're gonna die. It's on fire.
Look, it's on fire. Oh, it's still popping. Let's not move closer yet. Oh my gosh. And this is coincidentally how the Lighthouse of Alexandria was destroyed in history.
There it is.
By a bunch of idiots with a camera and pyrotechnics. Slowly inching towards it.
And it's going to explode yet again. Why are we getting closer? If it explodes again, it doesn't matter if we slowly keep getting closer to it.
It doesn't even matter.
Go kick it.
This is amazing.
This is great.
Okay, we're walking around it now. As you can see, the left flank of the tower is on fire.
Oh.
Poseidon is nowhere in sight.
Yes, Poseidon is pretty much a thing of the past.
Basically. And this thing is making its own light. It's ironic because this is a flame. Now, if we look here, we can see how the entire back has been blown apart.
Oh. It's amazing.
It's beautiful.
It's amazing.
It's amazingly beautiful.
I want to touch it.
And if we're lucky,
it won't explode again.
Yes.
Oh, look.
I think this thing might fall.
At the boat on the left.
Dude, the boat on the left, it completely melted. Now, it used to be, oh dude, it just fell.
Yes.
Yes, it just fell apart.
Oh,
snap.
Another explosion. Oh, another explosion.
Oh my god. One of those hit my finger. Is that why my finger's severed and hanging off in a bloody flame? Oh. Coincidentally, I just lied about my finger being in a bloody flame. It's been nice recording this with you.
We almost died.
Until later, Mike and Crispin signing off.